Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello friends. In this video I am going to show you that how to create Windows 10 bootable pendrive. So let's start. First you need your Windows 10 ISO file. And second is Rufus setup, which can download from description. Open Rufus. After that select your pen drive. Now click on this icon. And select your Windows 10 ISO file. After that simply click on Start. Click on OK. Now it will take little bit time. So I am going to pause this video. And I will be back when it get finished. Now as you can see process has been finished. Now you can eject your Windows 10 pen drive. So that's all for this video. If you like this video please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. And I will see you in next video. Goodbye.